Nature is beautiful. When we go against what was naturally meant to be, we're going against ourselves. Because we are part of nature. The cycle of nature is a vicious one. Animals eat other animals to survive, and those other animals eat plants to survive, and those plants get energy from the sun, which is a big ball of fire in the sky. Skunks, chipmunks, zebras, frogs, flies, bees, trees, moths, flowers, rabbits, octopuses. Those are all animals that live in the world and are part of the cycle of nature that I was talking about before. That's why HealthChips created HealthChips lentil chips to be a healthy, natural substitute to unhealthy foods that most people eat. Instead of those, they can eat these, and these are more healthy.